Hi, it's Jason, Jason's Jungle, and today I'm going to be stitching my chillies. So I've got a bunch of bird's eye chillies here, and they're ready to sort of go and get stitched together and to make a nice sort of string. So what I've got is a needle and thread. Now I'm using white thread, it doesn't matter what colour. Black thread would probably be less visible, but you know, it doesn't really care. And what I've done is I've got a double length of thread and I've knotted the end. If I put this on something dark, you might see here that I've got it knotted so it's a double strand. So what I do is I take the knotted end, unravel the rest of it from the chillies, take the knotted end and I make a hoop on there, so there's a loop going round there. And I take one chilli and I will put the stalk through that hoop and then pull the hoop tight. And that just anchors this on as the first chilli. So now I work my way through the rest of the chillies. So I take a chilli, needs to have its cap on, so that I can push the needle through the green. So if you look here, it's not going through the thin stalk, it's going through the thicker cap. And that just lets it get something to grip on. So I can now pull that down the thread so it nestles up with the chilli that's in front of it. So just keep doing that, and I will go through these one at a time, putting the needle through the thicker green bit, pulling it through and nestling it down into the previous chillies, and I will continue through the rest of these and I'll show you what it looks like at the end. Okay, so I'm just popping the last ones on now. I'll leave that one, I'll show you one in a second. Okay, and that's what the string looks like. So now I'll just take the rest of the thread, double back over itself so I've got a big hoop, and I will tie a couple of knots in there so I've got something to hang it up by. Now these will get hung somewhere where it's warm, but where the air can flow around them to take away all the moisture. So you can hang them in the kitchen, that'll be great, but don't put them where it'll get steam from the kettle, from the cooking, because that's just going to make them moist and make them go rotten. So put them a bit away from the cooker in the kettle, but somewhere where they'll get some warmth and they get some air flowing over them. And that will mean they can dry, and once they've dried a bit, you'll find that they're nice and light, and these ones have been dry for a few weeks now, and they're nice and dry, nice and light, and all I've got to do is take them off as I use them. There's a few that I haven't put on, and I'll just show you some of them. This one here, there's not much of the green left there as it's been nibbled by something, so that can be used straight away. These ones, the caps come off, and these will just be put out on a bit of a tissue to dry, or they'll be used fresh. And then there's this one. This one, that edge is starting to go a bit soft and mushy, so if I put this in, it might actually cause the rest to rot. So that one can be used, some of it can be cut off and used, but I will, this one wouldn't keep. So yeah, so that's my chillies, all stitched and ready to hang and dry. So I hope that's been useful for you. Please click like, leave a comment, share it with your friends, and I will see you on the next video. Ta-ra!